Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin, and on Fridays I put up cleaning videos, and then on Wednesdays I have vlogs. Sometimes I'll clean in my vlogs too, so if you're interested in any of that, then I hope you stick around. Probably heard my dog shaking in the background. They always want to be near me, so you probably always hear them in the background of my voiceovers. So today's cleaning video is just another simple nap time clean with me. Dante had shredded a cardboard thing or something, so I had to pick up all the pieces, and I needed to clean up after lunch and do a bunch of laundry. So just a simple cleaning motivational video today. So I really wanted to hang my cloth diapers. I feel like they've been a little bit smelly, so I hung them outside today in the sun, and that helped. Also doing an extra rinse on them the other day helped too, so I think I need to do an extra cold rinse on them.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn down. These days ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby
blog. It's like a housewife blog or something, the ultimate housewife. And she said to do your carpets when you vacuum them horizontally and vertically. So you go in both directions to actually get your carpets clean. So I started doing that once weekly, is doing it both ways. So it definitely takes longer, but I think it's worth it. And the carpets in this house are new, so I'm trying to take good care of them. Alright guys, and there you have it. A nice tidy home for us to mess up in a few minutes. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found it motivational, and I hope you guys have a good weekend. For those of you who don't work on the weekends and are starting your weekend after today, I will see you guys Friday or Wednesday. Hopefully Wednesday. I feel like we're a fun bunch to watch. As always, live life in full bloom.